हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे एमसीक्यूज ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। टॉपिक डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल एंड ड्यूटीज। Which part of the constitution contains the directive principle of state policy? Part IP. Directive principles are taken from the constitution of Ireland. The directive principles aim to establish social and economic democracy. Directive principles are non-justiciable. Which article direct the state to promote welfare of the people? Article 38. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women is mentioned in Article 39D. To provide free legal aid, the poor is stated in Article 39A. Promotion of cottage industry is a directive under Article 43. Organization of village panchayat is provided in Article 40. Right to work, to education, and to public assistance is mentioned under Article 41. Provision for maternity relief is given under Article 42. Provision for early childhood care and education is provided under Article 45. Promotion of educational and economic interests of SCs, STs, and another weaker section is under Article 46. Duty to raise the level of nutrition and public health is in Article 47. The directive to secure a union civil code is under Article 44. To protect the improve the environment is a directive under Article 48A. Protection of monuments and places of national importance is Article 49. Separation of judiciary from executive is mentioned in Article 50. Promotion of international peace and security is the aim of the Article 51. Which of the following is true about DPSPs? They are not enforceable by the courts. Which article say that DPSPs shall not be enforceable by any court? That is Article 37. DPSPs can be enforced by the legislation. In which case was it ruled that fundamental rights and DPSPs must be harmonized? Both A and B, that is Midreva Mills case and Kesav Nanda Bharti case. Which amendment gave constitutional status to cooperative society? 97th Amendment. Which part of the Constitution contains fundamental duties? Part IV. Fundamental duties were added by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. How many fundamental duties are there currently? 11. Which article mentions fundamental duties? Article 51A. Fundamental duties are applicable to Indian citizens only. The to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals in mentioned in Article 51A. To cherish and follow the noble ideals of the freedom struggle is in Article 51A. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India is stated in Article 51A. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so is under Article 51A. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood is found in Article 51A. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture is stated in Article 51A. To protect and improve the natural environment is a duty under Article 51A. To develop scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry is under Article 51A. To safeguard public reporting and violence is listed in Article 51A. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity is found in Article 51A. The 11th fundamental duty to provide opportunities for education was added by 86th Amendment 2002. Fundamental duties are based on which country's constitution? USSR, now Russia. Which fundamental duty encourages citizens to protect the environment? 51A. To provide education to children between age 6 and 14 is a duty of parents and guardians. Which fundamental duty promotes harmony among all religious groups? 51A. In which case did Supreme Court say that DPSPs are fundamental in the governance of the country. State of Madras versus Champakam Dore region. Mindrava Mills case ruled harmony between fundamental rights and DPSPs must maintain. The doctrine of harmonious constitution is used to balance fundamental rights and DPSPs, which case recognize environment protection as a fundamental duty and right. MC Mehta versus Union of India. In which case was right to education declared a fundamental right before 86th Amendment. Mohini Jain case. DPSPs can be classified into how many types? Socialist, Gandhian and liberal intellectual. Uniform Civil Code is an example of directive principle. Which of the following is a Gandhian directive principle? That is organization of village panchayats. Legal aid to poor falls under which type of directive principle? That is socialist. A DPSP aim to promoting international peace is Article 51. Which DPSP encourage the state to separate judiciary from the executive. Article 50. Are fundamental duties imposed by the law? No, but Parliament can make them enforceable. The inclusion of fundamental duties reflects civic responsibility of citizens. Fundamental duties are found in which article? Article 51A. Are there penalties for not performing fundamental duties? Only when made statutory through law. DPSP's guide state in framing law and public policy. Fundamental duties apply during all times. Which article in Part IV direct the state to minimize inequalities in income? Article 38 2. Promotion of cooperative societies as a DPSC under Article 43B. In what year were fundamental duties added? 1976. Article 48A deals with the environment protection. Article 43A was added to promote workers' participation in management. Which directive principles aim for free and compulsory education? Article 45. Can fundamental duties be amended? Yes, but by constitutional amendment. Which of the following is not a directive principle? That is right to freedom of religion. Which body is responsible for ensuring implementation of DPSPs? Parliament. Right to health is interpreted under Article 21 and Article 47. How many fundamental duties were initially added in 1976? That is 10. What is the latest addition of fundamental duties? That is duty of parents to provide education to children. Which body recommended inclusion of fundamental duties? Swara Singh Committee. Which of the following is a directive principle but not a fundamental right? That is equal pay or equal work. Which of these duties aim at promoting scientific outlook, develop scientific temper? The separation of powers between legislature and judiciary is guided by Article 50. Fundamental duties were inspired by the Constitution of USSR. Which directive principle related to agriculture and animal husbandry? Article 48. Article 45 after the 86th Amendment refers to early childhood care and education. Which one is a Gandhian directive principle? Promotion of cottage industry. The right to education under Article 21A is complemented by the which fundamental duty? Article 51A. The idea of fundamental duties was first recommended by Swarna Singh Committee. Which of the following duties promoted unity and integrity? 51A C. In which landmark case was the right to a pollution-free environment held to be a part of Article 21? Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. Article 39 directs the state to ensure that the operation of the economic system does not result in concentration of wealth and means of production. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Article 43 cottage industry. The purpose of adding fundamental duties was to remind citizens of their obligation. Which fundamental duty is linked to environment? 51A. Which article directs the state to promote educational and economic interest of weaker section? Article 46. Which article related to protection and improvement of cattle breeds. Article 48. Fundamental duties are enforced through legislative enactments. Environmental Act. Which of the following is a fundamental duty and not a directive principle that it depends the country? Which fundamental duty promote the spirit of inquiry and reform? 51A Act. Which directive principle relate to free legal aid? Article 39A. Promotion of cooperative societies was made a directive principle by 97 Amendment. Directive principle requires the state to make laws for achieving socio-economic justice to protect the rich heritage of our composite culture is a fundamental duty. 51A F. The key difference between fundamental right and DPSP is that FRs are justiciable and DPSP are not. Thank you.